Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Coursera partners with leading educational institutions to provide a diverse selection of online courses and programs across various subjects, including business, technology, healthcare, arts, and more. These courses are typically delivered in video lecture format and include assignments, quizzes, and peer-reviewed assessments. Learners can enroll in individual courses, join specializations, a series of related courses, or pursue full degree programs. Coursera offers both free and paid courses, with the option to earn verified certificates upon completion. Here are 9 ways to earn money from Coursera. One, teaching courses. Educational institutions and experts can offer courses on Coursera. If you have expertise in a specific subject, you can develop and teach a course. Revenue can be earned through course enrollments. 2. Creating specializations. If you have a series of related courses, you can package them into a specialization on Coursera. As learners enroll in the specialization, you earn a share of the revenue. 3. Offering degree programs. Collaborate with universities and colleges to offer online degree programs through Coursera. This can include bachelor's, master's, and professional degrees. 4. Selling course materials. Some instructors create supplementary course materials, such as textbooks or study guides, that learners can purchase. You can earn money from the sales of these materials. 5. Participating in Coursera for Business. Coursera offers a corporate training platform called Coursera for Business. If you have expertise in areas relevant to the business world, you can provide content for corporate clients. 6. Affiliate marketing. Coursera has an affiliate program that allows you to promote Coursera courses and earn commissions on course enrollments generated through your affiliate links. 7. Offering tutoring or coaching. You can provide personalized tutoring or coaching services to Coursera learners, especially for subjects that require one-on-one assistance. 8. Translating courses. If you are proficient in multiple languages, you can contribute to Coursera by translating courses and earning money for your translation work. 9. Becoming a mentor or course assistant. Some courses on Coursera offer mentorship or course assistant positions. As a mentor or assistant, you provide guidance and support to learners and receive compensation for your services.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below. This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.